Welcome friends. In this video we will see forms. You have seen when you are registering on Yahoo or Google service or Gmail or Ymail service that you have to fill the form. After filling the form you can use email services. So for creating that type of forms, HTML provides various input elements by which we can create form. So let's see how to create forms. For creating form tag is used. So first create form tag and complete form tag. Form tag contains one attribute called action. In action tag, we have to pass the name of the page where you want to process this form. Generally when we are using server, then this action is used, but currently we are not using the server or client server application, so we are not using action. Now I want to create form for getting the student information. So let's create form for that. First I want to write enter student name. For giving space, address of NBSP is used. Now I want to get details of the student from text box. So to create text box, input tag is used. Input element type is equal to text. Each input type have special name and unique name. So we will give name is equal to s name, which is student name, and complete the input element or input tag. Now save this document and let's see output. We can see enter student name is written and in front of that one text box is created. Now let's add more and more element in this form. I want to add select gender. To create radio buttons, input type is equal to radio. We have to specify type is equal to radio. So this will display radio button. We have to select one of radio button, either it is male or female, and we must have to write name is equal to gender or same name to both radio button. So we are creating just two radio button, one is male and another is female. Now let's check. We can see two radio buttons are created and which is toggle. Now let's add button to our form for submitting this output. For that we have to give input type is equal to submit and it is in double quotation mark. Value is equal to submit. When we want to pass some value to one form to another form, then this value will be used at a time of processing these inputs on the server. So you can see submit button is also created. Now if I want to give password type facility, then text will not be displayed, but in place of some character will be displayed. So to create that type of input, we have to specify input type is equal to password. Enter password. So you can see when you enter the value in the password box, no character will be displayed, but only disk or round will be displayed, which is used for entering the password. So this is about forms in which various types of elements are used. More elements like option buttons, select, checkbox and other reset buttons are used for creating forms. We have seen in this example text box, radio button, password and button. So this is about forms. Thank you.